What's going on, crypto warriors? It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, hitting you with this Rex 2.0 again. It's nighttime here on the East Coast. Shout out to you wherever you are in the world tonight. Quote of the week again is, you miss 100% of the shots you never take. Wayne Gretzky. This is my second Rex account. Referral link in the description. If you want to receive bonus Rex, you have to have a referral link for this platform. So use my link or copy and paste my address when you go to sign up. As you can see, I have a lot of stakes here. In this platform. I believe the white paper, when you read it, it says you can have as many stakes as you want. So potentially you can have an unlimited amount of stakes. And I believe my first stake will be done around July 19th. So that's also Rex Day 19. So keep in mind when you're doing these stakes that the minimum duration is 7 days. It won't go lower than that. It'll give you some kind of warning when you try to type it in. Matter of fact, I try to type it in right here, right? And I put 1,000 or whatever, and I put blah, for example, and I put irrevocable stake, and I click allow and deposit, and it says minimum duration is 6 days. Okay, so minimum duration is 7 days, and it says, hey, minimum duration is 7 days, but I put 6, just for example. So when you place your stake, I'll do it here. These are the basic steps. You just go ahead and type in how much you want to stake. I put, like, for example, I put in 5,000. I put 7 days. You can have multiple stakes in here for 7 days. You can put 5,000 for 7 days, 10,000 for 7 days. You can have multiple stakes ending on the same day, just for example. And I just put tests. I'll put test 9 on there. And just note, when you click on the irrevocable stake button, the amount of shares you're going to receive goes up. So I gave it a name. I put the minimum amount of days I want to stake, and I put the amount, and I click allow and deposit. Once I do that, my MetaMask will pop up. I'll go down and confirm. I go in here and check the activity. It's probably pending up. And then once it happens, it says transaction successful. You can view it on BSC scan, or you can close it out. So once I did that, I can go ahead and refresh the page. And I go down, and that stake that I just made, it won't be live until the next day. So it won't be live. So today's July 13th. It won't be live until July 14th. It's irrevocable, and I named it test number 9. When the key point for here is, one of the key points is do irrevocable stakes, because you get 25% more of the shares, but you cannot withdraw. If you click irrevocable stake, you cannot withdraw until that stake is done, until it's completely done. Okay. The Trex also gives you a 25% more bonus, a 25% bonus on your shares. Okay. So all you have to do is hold one T-Rex. When you go to your dashboard, it'll show you how many you have. I have 1 M-Rex and 1 T-Rex. So you have to have at least 1 T-Rex, which is 530 BUSD for right now. And that price is supposedly supposed to only go up from here. So the earlier you get your 1 T-Rex, the better. To get the full 10% bonus on referrals, you need to have 10 M-Rex tokens. And then to get the 25% on the staking and the auctions, you need to hold 1 T-Rex. So let me show you something that may not be clear. It's not really a secret. Maybe some people don't know about it. Maybe they're not paying attention, but when you click on statistics and you go down to the bottom, it says Rex per BUSD via Pancake Swap, 655. and it says at the moment, this is like real time or whatever, today, 655. But if you do it through the daily auction here on the site, you get 2,699 Rex. But for Pancake Swap, you only get 655. So hey, even if you don't like math, that's easy to know that, hey, you get a lot more doing it through the daily auction here on the website. So I just wanted to point that out. So strategy pro tip, set up 2 Rex accounts, one for the big paydays and one for liquid Rex. And, you know, thank me later on for that. But when you come over here, it'll tell you, for example, if you click on, I want to say, is it stats? Let's see. Your statistics. I think it's your statistics. It'll show you that, you know, for whatever wallet you have, it'll show you that either you have big paydays or you don't. Either you got money from the big paydays, you got crypto from the big paydays, or you didn't. You know, it'll show you there. But it'll also show you if you're eligible for it or not. It's a red button. There it is. If you're eligible for big paydays, this will be green. If you're not, it'll be a red X. So that just lets you know on that. Now back to the staking. So you go back, you put in the amount you want to stake, the duration, minimum 7 days, the description, and click on irrevocable stake. That means you want to lock it in and for the full duration of the amount of days you put right here, and that you will receive a 25% bonus on that stake. And what I'm doing right now is I'm waiting for my first stake to be done. My first 7-day stake, I'm waiting for that to be completed before I go into phase 2 or part 2 of my Rex staking strategy. Also, when you stake, they made it easy for you to know when your bonus will be counted. Again, if you have T-Rex, when you made the stake, it will be green. If you didn't have T-Rex, when you made the stake, it'll be in red right here. So that's really easy. And you can name the stakes whatever you want. It's entirely up to you. You can click on the stats button and you can just see what's going on with the platform from the global view, the auctions. It'll show you a timer when the next auction will be complete, how much money or how much Rex is in that, and how much BUSD is in there, how many participants are in there, so on and so forth. And then the DEX won't be out until 111 days. So on Rex Day 111 or 111, the DEX is going to open and you'll be able to sell and buy stakes from what they call other Rexicans. So that's pretty interesting. But anyway, if enough of you request it on the video, I'll do a summation of the key points in the white paper in another video. But that's enough for tonight, and I hope you'll have success in Rex. They're doing big things. I got a feeling this is only the beginning. Don't forget the referral link is in the description. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you will see when I drop an updated video. Peace.